We choose the product Rotary demisters in a final year petroleum project, and me and my peer group are working hard to make that project models, and we also have learned the ability of something new in this project. So in the Rotary demisters, I would explain you about something about its application and the advantages of using a rotary demister. Uh, like you can say that in any process where water and gas are coming into a contact, and they will form some mist. So we have with the help of this mist, it will uh, it will remove any process inefficiency, and it will also damage some equipment. So in every industry they use a rotary demister. They use the demister that will help to take the mist into the form of droplet, so it will not cause any harm to any equipment or any processing plant. So so in that uh, so the advantages of demister that used in the industry is that they will increase the working environment and help to reduce the they will help to reduce the rust or corrosion from that equipment and extend their life, and also it will help to improve the uh, processing and recovery of a useful material from that equipment. So here's the application of the rotatory demister. That at the at There's a different industry where the demister is used. First of all, the absorption column where the rotary demister is used, and second one, distillation column. Distillation column is there in a marine environment, from where we can take a oil through the offshore from the offshore. So in distillation column, they use the material they use that material which will heat until their flash point, at which the water that that comes with the oil that water can take with that material, and the oil gets separated from the gases and water. So the third one is steam boiler, at the place where we can use the rotatory demister, and there is a gas and air scrubber, oil mist separator, at that phase where we can separate the oil and mist from each other, vacuum tower and drying acid factories. These all the applications where we can use the demisters to help to get a mist out of from that particular product that we want to useful in our life. So the next slide is the Gantt chart. This is the Gantt chart that will shows how we work on our project from the day we choose that subject. So it will shows about, if we are talk about the 15th of January. uh, I also talk about in the last presentation the class, and I talk about this project. I will also show you the same procedure that we follow since the first day to now. At the 15th of January, a topic assigned to all group member, where we can assign all the topic, and after 2 weeks, we have to given a particular topic. uh, like the instructor give us the any topic that we choose, and we have to research on that topic, and which will is better, that will be choose by a professor. Like we talk upon elevator pitch, and the next time we the next week on the about 4th of February we research on that project, and the week after we that so after that we decided that which product we use in a project. So we decided the parts, the what kind of parts that we need for that particular project, and that we already discussed the presentation of the business model for the last month. And then the month of in the last week or month of February, we use working on the project start, that the actual work of our project will start. And we working on the some of the part to assembles. So we just about to complete the development phase. And what will happen, due to a COVID-19 cases, we all know the university is closed, and we halt all the process, so we can't go to meet in person to anybody else, even my professor. So we close any practical work over there. And that all that we need, we just have to study through internet on any from the books to get the knowledge of the to complete the report, the best knowledge that I can get through that I can get through any of internet or a books or from the teacher that we studied in the class. So on the 25th of March, we worked on a report, and re-edit the report and presentation the week later. And today is the last day to submit the project and compile the report. So I worked on submit the report and presentation. So that's all we need to show in the Gantt chart from the day we started working. So this is my PPT presentation of the Rotary demister that I will show you in 2 slides. So okay, sir, thank you. That's all my part.